So, hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, this is about Atria Institute of Technology, and this college is got a campus in the heart of the city, and it's around 17.5 acres of campus. And in the campus, there is a dedicated hostel for both boys and the girls. And the city campus, as I mentioned, 17.5 acres is, very close to the central bus station, which is just 7 kilometer, and it's in the prime location, near to Indian Institute of Science (ISC), University of Agriculture Science, and ISRO and the other organizations which are in the nearby zone. So you have seen the decent infrastructure with campus life in my previous campus tour, and it provides for hostel facilities as well. So the admissions is right now going on for different programs, and it offers UG engineering, PG engineering, and the doctoral engineering programs. And these programs are all affiliated with VTU, Vishwashraya Technology University, and it's approved by ACAICT, and it's a NAC accredited also. So all the programs are NAC accredited. So you can choose from the options like computer science and engineering CSE branch is there, and there is an additional branch called computer science and design, which is also a variation of computer science, which you can take. And they do have a BE in information science, ISC electronics, and then mechanical and civil as a traditional branch, and they also avoid BSc honors in allied sciences. Apart from that, they have are also having a premium offerings now, which where students can take a combination of branches, right? So the ECE students also have an option of studying artificial intelligence as a combination, or the elective branch. Similarly, with ECE you can opt for IoT, and with ECE you can also opt for embedded in the smart devices. Similarly, with civil engineering, you have option to opt for the project management part of it, right? Now, also they have a decent number of industry tuned engineering programs, and this industry 4.0 program is offered across all of the branches. So for the computer science and engineering ISC students, and there's a it will include cloud computing, big data, AIML, AI, IoT, and RPA, which is the robotic process automation. For CSD students, it will include digital media design approaches and media technologies. ECE I have already spoken in the previous sheet, so it will include ECE plus IoT plus smart chips edge IoT, industrial IoT. For mechanical students, it will additionally includes robotics, it will include digital manufacturing, and the rest of the things. And for the civil students, it will going to include project monitoring, enabled IoT devices, again enabled safety, and other things. Now coming directly to the placements part of it. So if you see, the highest salary last year was 30 lakhs, which is quite decent, and good number of companies come to the placement. So the highest salary is Amazon and Accenture, Bosch is there on the campus, and then CGI, like, and from the Indian companies perspective, Cognizant is there, Infosys is there, TCS is there, and from the bigger multinationals like IBM, Capgemini, and the startup companies which are like a phone pay and Flipkart are also on the campus. So it's a good mix of companies. And apart from that, for other civil engineering students, there's a Shobha developers and all. So this is what I mentioned. The highest salary on this campus for this year was 30 lakhs, which is quite amazing. And the student is Tabiel Muhammad, as you can see. And this offer was given by Amazon. And the next best offer, if you can see, are like around 14 lakhs and 12 lakhs and so on. So like Amazon I have already spoken. There's another student, Neha Prakash, got at phone pay 12 lakhs. Then another student got a company Maybank. And these are the set of students who got, these are computer science engineering students who got the salary of 14 lakhs. So 14 lakhs offer to four students, and they have got $8,000 stock options. They also got 30,000 rupees worth of internships. And now another student who got salary of 10 lakhs, is a part of computer science department, CSC, it says on the top, and the student got it for Byju's Corporation. So apart from the companies which I mentioned earlier for the computer science department in the last year, also there were a few new companies like Lido, Maven Air, Kanini, and Spiders, and emphasis are there on the campus as well. So this is also a list of some 10 students you can see which got placed in TCS. So TCS around 10 students at 3.65 lakh package you can see here, and then there's a multinational which I mentioned, NTT Data, around 5 students who got placed, and they are all from computer science department. CSE you can see on the top of the sheet. So these are the another set of 5 students who got placed at Huawei Technologies, and 4 students are there. All of these are from the CSE department, and this is in with the Indian system integration company Wipro. So you have around 15 to 20 plus people, and this is the second sheet of Wipro. So you in the previous sheet you see saw 6, and this is another 6 students who got placed in the Wipro. This is another 2 students who got placed at Wipro at 3.5 lakh salary, and these are 2 more students who are also part of the same computer science engineering and got placed at Wipro. And this is another company, Infinite Solutions, which is Cambridge IT Solutions also, and 2 students placed in there. And this is for Tech Mahindra. So 3 students got placed in Tech Mahindra as well. So those were key highlights for the computer science departments. There is also good placement happened for information science department and the student. Last year, this was last year information science, where 120 plus students got placed, and the highest salary was 12 lakhs and average salary was 4.4 lakhs. And these are a few more students which got placed at NTT in this batch also, and they are from the information science engineering ISC department. Another students at information science department placed at technologics. And then this is the overall summary of the CSC placements. So CSC placements you can see on the last row, right? 80 students got placed out of CSC department, 64 students got placed in information science, and ECE around 60 75 students got placed. So if you can take CSC, ISC, and the ECE branch. So top 3 branches you can take, and this is another in appreciation where 99% of the students from the ISC department pass. So that is quite good, and that's all I have to cover about the complete placement review. 3 departments: computer science, information science, and ECE you can take in this college, and the highest salary is 13 lakhs, average salary is 4.5 lakhs. Thanks friends, and that's all I have to cover. Take care, bye.